Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome to my channel. Today's video I will tell you about this foot mat. This is the best use of leftover wools. So let's begin our video. For this floor mat, I have a lot of leftover wools. As you can see, I will make this floor mat with these wools. So let's start. Okay, to start this floor mat, I'm taking these three colors. You can take any three colors which you want to take, and I'm taking these all three wools like this, 1, 2 and 3, like this. I'm holding these three wools like this, and now this is a very thick wool and I need to very thick crochet hook with this. So I'm using 10 number crochet, which is 6.0 mm. So we'll start to make a slip knot. Like this, or you can start like this also. Okay, start to make foundation chain. 1, 2, make these chains little loose. See how thick this chain is. This is lovely, and I want this thickness of this mat. So this is a perfect way to make with three wools together. Okay, for this floor mat I'm making 51 chains. This is the perfect width for according to me, but you can adjust the width according to you. You can increase the chains or you can decrease the chains according to your size. So skip very first chain, and from the second chain we'll start to make double crochet. Double crochet in every chain, or double crochet basic line like this. See the thickness of this mat. See, we'll make all 50 double crochets till the end of this round. Okay, I have completed my first round. I have made my 50 double crochets. This is very fast going, and you can see the thickness of this mat. This is looking very good. Now chain 1 and turn over. For the second round, we'll repeat the same basic lines of double crochet. Make 1 double crochet in the first chain. Make second double crochet in the next chain. Make third double crochet in the next chain. Make this mat with loose hand. Like this. Like this, we will complete our second round also, and after that we will make according to the length, what length we want, and in last we'll make last double crochet in the last chain. Chain 1 and turn over. Okay, I will repeat the same basic lines till the end of this mat. Okay, I have made my all 40 rounds. As you can see, I mixed all colors. And after this, There is no need to cut the wool here. We will make boundary now. You can give it a piping, or you can give it a boundary, round borders, or any border which you like most. But you have to be careful to make the boundary or border. This is the front side and this is the back side. So we will make boundary or border in the front side. So this is my front side, and here I'll make a round border. For this border, I'm skipping 2 chains. In the third chain, I'm making double crochets or a fan of 5 double crochets. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Skip 2 chains, and in the third chain so I'm giving a round border to this mat. Okay, see again, skip 2 chains. In the third chain, make a fan of 5 double crochets, or make 5 double crochets in the same chain. Four and 5. After 5 double crochets fan, skip 2 chains. In the third chain, make one single crochet like this. Okay, I'm making this round border all sides of this mat. Okay, see one more time. Skip 2 chains. In the third chain, make 5 double crochets in the same chain, or a fan of 5 double crochets. 3, 4 and 5. And skip 2 chains. In the third chain, make one single crochet like this. Okay, in the corner of this round border, I have only 2 chains here. Okay, so I will make here, I just skipped only 1 chain here. In the second chain, I made 1 double crochet, and I'm making 5 more double crochets. You can adjust according to the shape or according to the chains. 3, 4, 5, 6. After 6, we will see the setting of this curve. Now it's looking fine. So here I made like this. Okay, this side we have no chains, so look at this. This is the 1 double crochet. I have made 1 single crochet here, and in the second double crochet I'll make a fan of 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After 5 double crochet, in the next double crochet space, we'll make 1 single crochet like this. Okay, I have completed my all sides. This is looking like this. Okay, I hope you like this video, so please don't forget to give a like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos, and share with your friends and family. Thank you. Keep watching.